Ever feel like your factory headlights are barely lighting up the road, while everyone else seems to have daylight in front of them? A good set of LED headlight bulbs can completely change your nighttime driving experience, but only if you buy the right ones. In this video, I'm counting down the 6 best LED headlight bulbs you can buy right now, starting with a solid budget-friendly pick and ending with the one I think delivers the best combination of brightness, beam pattern, reliability, and overall value. I'll also share a few buying tips at the end so you don't waste money on bulbs that look bright but perform poorly. Before we get started, you'll find links to every LED bulb featured in this video down in the description. Since prices and availability change all the time on Amazon, check those links for the latest deals. Now let's start the countdown. Number 6. Beamtech H11 LED Headlight Bulbs. The Beamtech H11 has been around for a while, and there's a reason people still recommend it. It doesn't chase crazy brightness numbers or flashy marketing claims. Instead, it focuses on a clean beam pattern that closely matches what your factory reflector housing was designed for, something a lot of cheaper LED bulbs struggle with. I like the fanless aluminum body. Instead of a tiny cooling fan that can wear out or collect dust, Beamtech uses passive cooling through the metal housing, making installation easier and cutting out fan noise entirely. If you're working with limited space behind the headlight housing, that's a real plus. The color temperature sits in the cool white range, giving the road a much cleaner look than standard halogen bulbs. Road signs and lane markings stand out better, and nighttime driving feels less tiring. It won't overpower everything else on today's list, but it's a dependable, affordable place to start your upgrade. Number 5. Nilight H11 LED Headlight Bulbs. Nilight has built a strong reputation in automotive lighting, and these bulbs continue that trend with a solid combination of brightness and easy, plug-and-play installation, appealing even if you've never swapped a headlight bulb before. The compact driver design keeps things tidy without a mess of wiring behind the headlight assembly, and the built-in cooling system helps maintain consistent brightness over long nighttime drives. The beam has a crisp white appearance that gives modern vehicles an updated look, with noticeably better visibility on dark highways compared to aging halogens. The wide beam spread also helps illuminate the shoulders of the road, making it easier to spot pedestrians, cyclists, or wildlife before they become a problem. A great straightforward upgrade for an older vehicle. Number 4. Auxbeam LED Headlight Bulbs. Auxbeam has become one of the better-known names in aftermarket lighting, and these bulbs show why. They strike a nice balance between output, durability, and compatibility across a wide range of vehicles, and they're especially popular with drivers who spend a lot of time on poorly lit rural roads. The brightness stands out right away. Auxbeam positions its LED chips to closely mimic the original filament location, which helps maintain a focused beam instead of scattering light everywhere. A bright bulb doesn't help much if the light isn't aimed where you need it. Cooling is another strong point. The built-in fan works with the aluminum housing to pull heat away from the LEDs, which directly affects long-term reliability. These bulbs are also built for weather resistance, holding up through rain, snow, or dusty back roads. A noticeable jump in performance without premium pricing. Number 3. SEALIGHT S1 Pro 9005 9006 LED Bulbs Combo. The beam pattern is a big strength here. Instead of random hot spots, the light spreads evenly across the road while keeping a sharp cutoff that reduces glare for oncoming traffic, something you'll really appreciate on long nighttime drives. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to the compact design, and most drivers can swap these using basic hand tools with no permanent modifications. The cooling fan runs quietly while keeping temperatures in check, and dependable waterproof construction rounds out a kit that's ready for daily driving in almost any weather. Number 2. HIKARI Wings 2026 H11, H8, H9 LED Bulbs. HIKARI has built a loyal following by consistently pushing LED lighting technology forward, and the Wings 2026 series is one of their strongest offerings yet, producing exceptional brightness while keeping the beam controlled instead of just flooding everything with light. Optical precision is where HIKARI really shines. The LED chips are carefully positioned to create a beam pattern remarkably close to factory specifications, giving you excellent forward visibility while minimizing glare for other drivers, the kind of detail that separates premium LEDs from bargain options. Thermal management is another highlight, with an advanced cooling system that keeps output stable over thousands of hours, so the bulbs won't gradually fade. Compatibility is excellent too, with many vehicles accepting these as true plug-and-play, and HIKARI has done real work reducing CAN bus errors on newer models. Premium performance just below the top spot. Number 1. Termitor upgraded H11, H8, H9 light bulbs. After comparing beam quality, brightness, cooling, build quality, and overall performance, this is the package that impresses me most. The combination of high output and excellent beam focus stands out immediately. Plenty of LED bulbs advertise massive brightness figures, but a messy beam pattern wastes that extra light. Termitor produces a powerful beam while keeping it exactly where it belongs, giving you outstanding road illumination without unnecessary glare. Build quality is equally impressive. The aluminum housing feels solid, the integrated cooling system keeps temperatures under control, and every component is built with long-term durability in mind, so the LEDs keep performing near peak for years instead of fading from heat. Installation is straightforward with the compact plug-and-play design, and most drivers can finish the upgrade quickly with no extra modifications. Once installed, the improvement is immediately noticeable. Road signs reflect sooner, lane markings sharpen, and driver confidence goes up on dark highways. The strongest all-around LED headlight upgrade on today's list. Before you order a set of LED headlight bulbs, confirm your vehicle's correct bulb size first. Even the best LED bulb won't fit the wrong socket, so double-check your owner's manual or an online bulb finder before buying. Pay attention to beam pattern instead of just brightness numbers. A properly focused beam gives you more usable light down the road while reducing glare for other drivers. Real-world beam quality matters far more than inflated lumen ratings. Don't overlook cooling either. LEDs create heat, and that heat has to go somewhere, whether through a fanless aluminum design or an active cooling fan. Effective heat management preserves brightness and extends bulb life. Finally, consider waterproof ratings, build quality, and compatibility with your vehicle's electrical system. Some newer vehicles need CAN bus compatibility to prevent warning lights or flickering, and reading verified buyer feedback can help you spot fitment issues before ordering. That wraps up my picks for the best LED headlight bulbs available right now. You'll find all the Amazon links waiting for you in the description below, and since prices change regularly, those links are the easiest way to see today's latest deals and availability. If this video helped you narrow down your next headlight upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest automotive gear reviews and buying guides every week. Before you go, drop a comment telling me what LED headlights you're currently running, or which one from today's list you're thinking about installing. I always enjoy seeing what everyone is driving, and your experience might help someone else make the right choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.